The third product on this list is the GardePro X60 Pro. The GardePro X60 Pro is a versatile trail camera designed for hunters, nature lovers, and those seeking advanced security solutions. Its standout feature is the real-time live stream, allowing users to monitor wildlife or secure areas remotely through the app. This keeps you connected, no matter where you are, and ensures you never miss crucial moments. Unlike traditional trail cameras, the X60 Pro includes built-in memory storage, eliminating the need for SD cards. This thoughtful addition saves time and avoids compatibility headaches, making the device truly user-friendly. Additionally, the 8000 mAh rechargeable battery pack offers impressive longevity and eco-friendliness. For extended use, you can pair it with the SP300 solar panel for uninterrupted power. The cellular 4G SIM card feature is another game-changer, automatically connecting to the strongest carrier signal and allowing seamless photo sharing directly to your phone. With compatibility across Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile, this ensures reliable connectivity wherever your adventures take you. For imaging, the X60 Pro doesn't compromise. With high-quality HD capabilities and 36 invisible infrared LEDs, it delivers clear visuals day and night. Its no-glow technology makes it perfect for capturing nocturnal wildlife or discreet surveillance up to 100 feet. The GardePro X60 Pro may feel slightly complex for beginners due to its advanced features. Additionally, while the built-in storage is convenient, it lacks expandability for those requiring massive storage capacities.